Today, we are going to look at the WordPress content editor, also known as what you see is what you get editor. To make things simple, this is the editor that has to generate compelling online content for the average internet users. Its concept is pretty similar to what you see when you use Microsoft Office, like Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint. The knowledge of this is important, especially if you are looking to create content without any coding. There will be times when you help other people create content online where they would like to edit later. In this case, it is important to avoid coding content as much as possible. In this video, we are looking at how we can use the what you see is what you get editor to create compelling content for your website. I remember showing you how to bold the text in the previous lecture. Let's do something more here. In the About Me page, I might want a photo of myself here. So click on the area that you want and click on the Add Media button here. After clicking the button, you will see a window very similar to the one you used while setting a feature image previously. What is different for this window is that you can actually create a gallery and show several images at once. Just check them and you can make a gallery out of it. You can also set a feature image here conveniently if you want. Let us go back to the Insert Media tab. As you can see my photo here, I have previously uploaded it, so it now appears in my media library. Now I will want to use this, so I just check this and set the title, caption, alternate text, and description like before. Here, you can see that there are several display settings that you can change. Play around with these settings and see its effect on the photo in your content editor. Now, maybe I wouldn't want any alignment now, and no link. A thumbnail looks great, and insert into the page. Once inserted, you will see the photo appearing in your content editor itself. If you are not satisfied with the settings, you can always edit the image by clicking on it and click on the button here. Now at here, you can have different alignment for the picture, but please note that this alignment will not always work as you expect it to. So you have to try it out and see how it appears on your content editor. You can also have different size like before and a link to somewhere that you want. Now in the advanced options, you can choose to open the image in the new tab or set certain attributes to it. Regarding setting of these attributes, do not worry. For now, as it will be clear once you learn HTML and CSS later. Simply update the image once you are ready. Now for me, maybe I would like to remove the caption and the alternate text and click Update. As you can see, the caption is now gone from the picture. Remove a blank space here. And it looks pretty good now. You can also change the format of the text by changing them into headers. By default, the text entered here are in paragraphs. Let me show you. You can select the format of the text from the list here. For example, if I want it to change into a heading 2, it will look like this. Now, for the content here, it is still in the paragraph tag, as you can see here, which is the P. And for this section, it's in H2, which is the header 2 tag. I suggest that you play around with the different things here on the menu, just like Microsoft Office, and see what is possible for you to edit. One other important thing I'm going to show you is to add a link to the text. Simply highlight the text you want and select this. You can enter a URL and choose to open the link in the new tab, or even link to existing content that you have created. Let's publish this content and see the updated content. View the page again. You can see the new text that is now in header 2 and a new photo showing up. I think this part of the course is pretty straightforward and takes more practice than me teaching you how it works. So practice, practice, and practice.